Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki, and today we are unboxing Ipsy, kind of. So I just got an email, and maybe I am very slow, that shows me everything that's in my Ipsy April bag. So I thought I would just show you what I'm getting, because my bag usually ships super late and I don't get it until like the 20th of the month. Anybody else get their bags super late? So let's jump into it. If you're new around here, I hope that you will subscribe. I upload a crap ton of videos and I love unboxing Ipsy, BoxyCharm. Full disclosure, Ipsy is not sent to me for free. I pay for it with my own money. Maybe that's why I get it towards the end of the month. Give this a thumbs up. Let's jump into it. Let's start with the bag. It looks super cute. It is a white bag with lemons all over it, and I just think it's adorable. I am very 50-50 with their bags. I feel like they're either hit, like beautiful, like there was one recently that was like sequins that I loved. I loved last month's bag, and then some of them, I literally just use them for poop bags. I'm not joking. I told you guys Sephora Play and Ipsy, I will use them to pick up my dog's poop. Recycle these bags, friends. Don't just throw them out or pass them on to someone or donate them. But I like to use them as poop bags because my dog poops a lot. He's an old man. First up, it looks like I'm getting Buxom Lash Voluminizing Mascara in Blackest Black. I always love getting a mascara. I told you guys, I feel like my mom is a mascara god. She will make her lashes look fake. So I usually pass on 50% her real lashes. 50% of my mascaras to my mom, but I've never tried this mascara. So I think, Mom, I will be keeping this one. My mom watches all of my videos. And I do remember putting in my quiz that I like getting mascaras. Now this is a brand that I'm just kind of over getting. That sounds mean, but I'm just keeping it real. It's the Tony Moly Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser. I don't know what it is. I don't know if they have contracts with like every subscription box, but I get Tony Moly and BoxyCharm, Ipsy quite a lot. Never Sephora Play, so it must, I don't know if it's not sold at Sephora, but I mean, their products are just okay for me. Let me know what you guys think down below. Does anybody like think like Tony Moly is their cult favorite? Like you love their stuff? Let me know. Next, we have a Jelly Pong Cosmetics. That's a brand I don't think I've ever heard of. Lip oil and watermelon. You know, one of my favorite lip oils is the Clarins lip oils. So I'm interested to see how this will compare. The color looks very bright. It looks like it shears out, but it looks bright. So I'm gonna definitely give that a try. I don't usually like things that are synthetic, watermelon, scented, flavored, but we'll try. This next product, I'm excited. This is from Laura Sanchez. Never heard of that brand. But if you are new around here, I love color. I love pink, greens, blues. I love all that stuff. I'm not a neutrals girl. This is a pretty toned down look for me, and it's pink, purple, and blue, okay? So this is a bright blue. It's called Moods Eyeshadow in Alien Turquoise. That looks gorgeous. I can't wait to get this on the 30th of the month. Literally, my bag will literally show up like April 31st. It's weird. When I first started getting Ipsy, they used to ship it from Texas. I'm in Los Angeles, and I would legitimately get it before the 5th, which is great because I could show you guys. And this, I've been subscribed to Ipsy for years. This is before they would send you these emails that I'm just now discovering. They never sent you an email telling you what you were getting, but I would get it every month, like the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th. I don't know what happened, but now it ships from the East Coast and it just takes forever, so whatever. This is another brand that Ipsy sends quite a bit. This is the Vasanti Cosmetics Contour Eyeshadow Blended Out Brush. I do like their brushes. They've actually lasted for years. I've only, I guess, purchased them from Ipsy because I get it in the bag, and I really like their brushes, so that's pretty cool. Now here's something else that I had no idea about because I never look at Ipsy's emails. They have add-on products. Did you guys know this? I had no idea. So at first when I saw this, I thought it was free because it just says pick up to 3 faves and we'll ship them with your glam bag. Right, so that just lets me know they really haven't shipped my bag yet because I just got this email today. Wow, okay. And so I'm looking, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna pick this, this, and that. And then I read the fine print and it says they're full size, but they're $12 each. So I was like, oh. I understand. I thought they were just free add-ons because I've been subscribed to them for like 4 years. I thought they were just being nice, but Gotta pay. But there are some pretty cool add-ons. I'll put some of them on the screen. You can get the Laura Sanchez, the full eyeshadow highlighter palette. I have to look her up. I wonder if she's an influencer or content creator. You know, people like certain words. I don't care. You can just call me a blogger. I'll have to look her up. Violet Voss, there's a full-size eyeshadow palette. Tokyo Milk Blush Oil Stick. That sounds interesting. Orbe products. Or they also have deluxe samples. I need to look at these emails, and these are $3 each. So you can choose some more Laura Sanchez eyeshadows. Seraphine, The Balm. I mean, that's pretty cool. But it's not pretty cool that I just realized that means they haven't shipped my bag yet, because it says add these things on and we'll add it to your bag. So fun fact, look at those emails, friends. If you don't want your bag to be spoiled, don't look at it. I think that's why I would just immediately delete them. But maybe I'll just start showing you guys what I'm getting early, like the day I get this email. Why not? Okay, I want to tell you about some products that I've been trying, bringing back the beauty reviews. First up, this is one of my favorite drugstore eyelash brands. This is Eyelure Cosmetics. I have 2 of them here. I'll show you close-ups. I actually have on the Eyelure Luxe Cashmere Lashes number 4 right now. You guys, these are worth every penny. And I think it says you can wear them up to 20 to 30 times. They're reusable. And the lash glue that comes in here is amazing. Oh, 15 wears. You get 15 wears. And when I first started wearing fake lashes, I would be afraid of lashes that are this thick, because usually the thicker band lashes are really hard to put on, but the band is not super thick, very flexible, very easy to put on. And then these are the Eyelure Talia. I hope I say her name right. I think you don't pronounce the H. Talia collab. And these are Lady T. And these are more lightweight, but they're very long and feathery. I love these lashes. If you love lashes like I do, and you don't want to pay like Sephora or Ulta prices for more higher end lashes, but you want the higher end quality, definitely recommend. Definitely. Eyelure did send those to me for free, but I have many of their lashes that I've purchased myself. Now, story time on this. These are the Ofra liquid lipsticks. This is the shade Monaco. This actually came, I think, in last month's BoxyCharm. I think I titled it, Did I Get Kicked Off BoxyCharm's PR List? I'll leave a link to that down below. And I was telling you guys, I hate liquid lipsticks. I'm like giving this to someone else. And you guys were like, no, Nikki. The Ofra liquid lipsticks are not drying. And I'm so glad I read your comments and tried it. This is the shade Monaco. I love them. They're creamy and lightweight and long wearing. This is the first liquid lipstick in my life I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot, that does not dry my lips out. So Ofra was nice enough to send me the shade Rendezvous, which is a bright coral kind of pink with a little bit of mauve undertone. I love these. If you are afraid of liquid lipsticks, or you hate them like I traditionally have, and I don't use hate often, I couldn't stand liquid lipsticks, you will really like these. Creamy, long wearing, don't dry your lips out. I am all for it. And then next up from First Aid Beauty, you guys know I'm a huge fan of First Aid Beauty. I actually have on their avocado creamer under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose. It's just a very, is it clean? I think it's clean. I mean, they don't put a bunch of gunk in their products, and it just does a good job. They're not very like highly scented. So this is their Ultra Repair Berry Air Cream. I've actually used this for like at least 2 years. I had the bigger tub because I know you can get a bigger size of this. I really like it. It's just a lightweight moisturizer that soaks into the skin. It says use daily in the AM and the PM over clean skin. It's just a good solid moisturizer. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag. If you don't know, I've been quite disappointed with Ipsy lately. So if you haven't seen my most recent Ipsy video, I will leave it right here. Give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon for BoxyCharm.